Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Lucy, and today we will be learning how to remove cookies in your Chrome browser. So start by opening your Chrome browser and then click on these three dots located at the right corner of your page and go to settings. So here from the left menu, you need to go to privacy and security. So here you will see delete browsing data, and from here you can just uncheck browsing history and cached images and files, and just tick on cookies and other site data to delete it. So to go deep into your delete browsing data, you can just click on advanced, click on this. So to be specific, you can set your time range. If you want your cookies to be deleted at all times, then just click on all time and you'll find the number of cookies you have in your Chrome. After that, just click on delete data and you have your cookies deleted. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.